Okay. So cross join, left join, and right join, full join, inner join, and self join. Okay. These are all the types of joins we have. Already yesterday we have discussed cross join, and cross join is nothing but we have seen the differences as well. Okay, so what is the tables and how we can if we join the tables between two tables, what would be the result? That also we have seen, right? Let me go there where we have kept this. Okay. Hmm. See, we have seen one to many. Okay, this is the main table and this is your lookup table. Okay. So in this, right, what will happen? So whenever you join and once you, this is the syntax what we have written yesterday. And here if you see, you will get the 123 hyphen 123 Hanif HYD and 123 Hanif Bangalore again 123 HYD. Similarly 124 HYD, 124 Bangalore, 124 HYD. So it is very simple when you take the calculation level for the cross join 2 into 3. Okay. So totally you will get 6 records. So here is the result. What is the output? Okay. This is what the result what we are going to get. Okay. This is 1 second. Huh? Okay. Okay. So like this, the data will be coming out when you perform the joins. Okay. Maximum this cross join, whether do we use in our real-time environment means there are some requirements which demands to use the cross join. Okay. I won't say that yes, definitely you have to use the cross join, but you should know the concept of cross join. Okay. It depends on your requirement. Yes, you need to do that. Okay, that is mandate. So I'll tell you how. Hmm? If in real time scenario, okay, in real time scenario, I'll tell you how we can use the uh, real time. Okay. So now let me take one example. Hmm, here. This is very, very important to understand the real time. I have some say sales data, for example. Hmm. Under sales, you will have a order ID, hmm, order creation date, okay, buyer ID, and quantity, hmm, and total amount, like this you will, okay, for example. Hmm. So now this is the data you have. Similarly, I have some stocks data, for example, stocks data, okay, something like same column names, I'll keep it, okay. Now, for example, whenever you load this data, your insert GMT timestamp will be different. Okay. Here your insert GMT timestamp will be different. Why this timestamp will be different? Because this will run some particular time, this will run some particular time. Consider like, okay. And I have a requirement, okay. I have to add the same column name, same insert GMT timestamp for these two columns. I have to add same because I will decide my requirement says, okay, my requirement, my requirement says add the particular column which I will decide. Okay, consider this is the BMT table or anything. Okay, this is managed by business. They say that yes, use this particular time to load the data. For example, don't consider insert GMT timestamp because I want to perform these two at the same time with the same timestamp. Okay, load this particular time. So what I will do, I will give the particular time to load column, time to load the column. And I'll give you the insert GMT timestamp manually or something. Okay, I'll do. So I don't want to this insert GMT timestamp to pull the data, but I'll give you this timestamp to pull the data, for example. Then, okay, to merge this timestamp here, what you have to do, this is updated column, okay, updated timestamp. For example, like this country. So then here I will have only one column, okay, one row, only one record I will have. In this one record, now you see, just very simple if you see here, I have one column. Here, let's take I have 100 records. Here 200 records. Okay. Now 100 records from main table. Okay. And one record from lookup table. Fine. Now if you multiply, how many records you will get? 100 only. Correct? You will get only 100. Here you will get only 200. 200 into one record from the lookup table. Correct? 200. So at that time, this requirement satisfies here. So you don't require to give any common column in the join condition to perform. It's not required. You have only one column. So you need to merge this column into the your sales data and stocks data. That is defined by your business team. Okay, they want like this. At that time, what you have to do? You need to perform the cross join only because there is no join condition. You have order date, order ID, order creation date. But here there is no order ID in this table. Correct? So this will they will give you every day this insert GMT timestamp, and you need to append you need to add this insert GMT timestamp under updated column. At the time, what you have to do? It is a common of just it is a cross join only. Okay, you don't have any common column to perform between the two tables. Okay, but in case if you have a other timestamp also, for example, other value and other timestamp here, if you have more than one, then yes, I agree. There will be a duplicate data. There will be a duplicate data. Okay, but here this requirement provided by business team, and accordingly you need to. Okay, before developing that, yes, you will get the clear cut requirement and you will get the sign off from the business team whether your requirement is finalized or not. If the requirement is finalized means yes, they will provide you the green signal to start the your development. Okay, then you need to start the development and other blah blah things. This is real time scenario where we have seen, okay, in our projects. Like that, we have what we have done. We appended this date insert empty timestamp under updated timestamp. So we are not using the source insert empty timestamp. We are using our insert empty timestamp to pull the data for this stocks data and sales data, other blah blah data. Yeah, other different types of data. Okay. Coming back to the topic of left join. Okay. Now, here very simple. Okay, before I log in and show you, I want to show you here so that you will get clear cut idea how this will perform the left outer join. Okay, always table uh, first. Let me give you like this. Student, hmm, student ID, student name. Okay, student like this. Hmm, area ID. Okay. One, two, three. Raju, 10th class. Okay, area ID is one. 1, 2, 4. Kumar, 10th class. Area ID. Okay. Uh, 1, 2, 5. Hmm. Yeah. Plus, yeah. Yes. 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 Area ID. Area ID. Okay. One. Uh, name is something. Um, anything we can take. This is under. Okay. Raj only. Location is Rajmuli. I'll give same. Okay. To area is Garlapad and Rajmuli. Why? Because this is the center. Okay. Something like that. We'll keep like that. Okay. Um, like this way. So now here I have a, let's keep it like this. Okay. Now this is my main table, for example, and this is my lookup table. Okay. So here this is the common column. Here I have a common column, and from this table here I have a common column. Okay. Whenever you perform left outer join, right outer join, okay, and full outer join, inner join, and self join, at that time you should have a common column, okay, to perform the join operations. In this area, what will happen? So first we have discussed. First we have discussed cross join And now we are discussing about the left join. What is the main basic of left join? What is the definition? Means, so this is the your main table, right? Okay. And this is your lookup table, correct? Whatever the data present in this table, it will extract entire data from this table. Whether do we have a match or not, it does not matter. Hmm? But you will get the data. But from this table, you will get only matching records. Consider how. Now, the requirement is if you don't have a requirement to pull the data from this table, then there is not required. You don't require any joins. But the requirement says, okay, pull the data, pull the data from student table. What are the columns I need? From the student table, I need student ID and student name, and from the lookup table, hmm, I need from the lookup table, okay, area, area name. I want these two columns. Totally from student table, 1 second. Okay. So now from the student table, you need from the student table, you need a student ID, student name. And from the lookup table, the branches table, you need a area ID and area name. Okay. So now to get this, if you do cross gen, what will happen? From 3 to 3, total 9 records you will get. But I want only the matching records between the area to area. Okay. So now, same if you see here, I will write a query. Hmm? From the table, what I need? Student table, student dot student ID, comma, student dot hmm, student name, hmm, comma, these two columns from the student. From the branches, branches dot area ID, comma, branches dot area name. So I have taken the required columns in sequence and put the select statement here. And after once all the columns you tell, once you taken from, okay, and here student, if you perform cross line and then branch. Okay, so now if you take this is your cross line. So what will happen? The selected columns, these two, and here these two. Again, you will get the result like this. For the cross drag. Because you selected only two columns from the main table, lookup table also two columns. So you will get total four columns results like this you will get. But if you perform left outer join, what is the syntax? Okay. Now same, nothing difference. Here, remove this cross-join left. You need left only, right? Left join on. Then what is the common column? Student dot student underscore id equal to, what is the common column from branch table? Branches dot area id. This is the syntax. Okay. So select all the columns from the tables, main table, lookup table, on which column you want to perform. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? If you do like this, I'll remove this to get the result with the data. Okay. I'll copy
అలా
paste.
స్టూడెంట్ టేబుల్ లో స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి వేరే ఉంది కదా డేటా.
No. Wait.
Here area ID is common అన్న.
అదే కళ్ళు పనిచేస్తున్నాయా లేదా అని చెక్ చేసిన.
ఓకే.
ఎవడు అందరూ గుడ్డోళ్ళలా చూస్తున్నారు అంత. ఓకే సి. ఓకే. Okay. Relax. I'm saying common column area ID, but when I typed by intentionally here student ID, no one is observed. That is the bad thing. It means you are not concentrating. Okay. So now area ID equal to area ID. Now first it will check whether it is matching or not. Yes, it is matching. Then take the data from these two columns, keep it here. And what are the column I have taken from the branch table? Area ID, branch area name. These two. Take it. Keep it here. Again, this one, it will try to check second, not matched. Leave it. Not matched. Leave it. Yeah. So it will not match. Now, again, second one, it will come. Second one, not matched. No. 2 equal to 2. Yes, it got matched. Then take this data. And from this data. And then second equal to third, not matched. Again, second, third record comes. 3 equal to 1, no match. 3 equal to 2, no match. 3 equal to 3, yes, matched. Then take these two records and take these two records. You will get the data like this. This is called left outer join. Now, for example, now, okay, this is work fine, but okay. Now, for example, here I have a record 126. Okay. Um, Venu, 12th class. Okay. Branch ID is 5. Hmm. And here I don't have a branch ID, for example. Okay. Hmm. I don't have a branch ID. What condition I'm using here? Left join. Left join means what is this table? Student, I have a left table, right? Now, this left table, what I have used, then my condition what says? The definition? The definition of left join says take the data from the main table. Take all the data from the main table and the matching records from the lookup table, right? So now I have taken all matched records, and here I am going to take this also, but here what happened? I don't have any matching records. Still, what I will do, my query pulls the data like this, and this 5, I don't have any lookup here. So at the time, what it does, will keep null only. Matching records from the lookup table, yes, 1 matched, 2 matched, 3 matched, and 5 not matched here. There is no data. Still, all the data from the left table. Left or main table. So I have taken all the data. See here, okay. I have taken all the data or not? All the data, only matching records from the lookup table. So if it is matches, I'll take the data. Otherwise, I'll keep it null for the not matched records. So for example, here I have a 6. Okay. ABC village and Raj village. For example, I have like this. Now also it does not matter. Okay. So now this 1 to 6, okay, there is no match, but still I'll get this out. For example, now if I changed my main table to lookup table to main table, what will happen? See, this is very, very important. Okay. What I'm saying, I will just reverse my table. Okay. I will just reverse my table. It means now in this table, I will use branches here and then left table here. Now, what data I will get? See, I have not changed my select statement. Okay, I have not changed my select statement. Just I have changed my table from student main table to lookup table. Lookup table to main table I have changed. What result I will get now? Now you see all the data from the lookup table, main table, okay, all the data from the main table and look matched records from the lookup table. Now earlier this is my main table, so I have taken all the data and matching records from this table. Similarly, now all the data from this table and matched records from this table. Now you see I have not changed my select statement. I have kept as it is. Now, what it does, it will check with this table now, reverse order. Okay, earlier it is like this. Now, it get changed to like this. It will match like this. Then, yes, matches. Then, in the select statement, I have a first column what? Student ID, student name, right? Then I'll paste it like this. And then matching record from this table. Yes, take it. Okay. And similarly, 1, 2 not matched, 1, 3 not matched, 1, 5 not matched. Okay, leave it. Second record again. Okay, 2, 1 not matched, 2, 2 yes matched. Take the and it is also matched, right? This one also. And again 2 3 not matched, 2 5 not matched. Then coming to 3 record, next record 3 1 not matched, 3 2 not matched, 3 3 matched. Yes, take this data. Okay, and then here also you take it. Okay, and then 6 6 1 not matched, 6 2 not matched, 6 3 not matched, 6 5 not matched. Okay, take the data. Here null, like this. This is the left chain. See, you here when you have taken the student as a main table, okay, and the branch is your lookup table. When you perform left to join, so whenever you have a left table, it scans entire data and the matching records from the lookup table. Same also, it is also happened same thing. Matched records, you got the data. Hmm? And not matching records from branches. Now it is a main table here. So it has taken all the data from the lookup table and a matching records from this table. But why I have not changed my select statement? Because you have to see how the left outer perform when you change the tables from main to lookup to main. This is very, very important. Like this, you need to practice and you need to see how my results would be, how my results would be, how I get that data. This is how you need to practice. See, by just analyzing, I am giving you the result. If I execute the query, I will get exact same to same. Okay, this is how we have to practice. Now, in next class means after this. Now we have just 2 minutes. Again rejoin the call. Then I will create a table. Same result. I'll show you how you will get the data. Okay. Any questions here? Now say if someone asks, okay, you have to say clearly what output you will get. You should not have any confusion on the joints. That too left outer joint. Am I clear, everyone?
Nah,
Yes.
cross join it returns the all the records from the both table kadana.
Yes.
Uh, I think it returns the three values. ఇక్కడ మీరు 3 values రిటర్న్ క్రాస్ జాయిన్ లోనా యాక్చువల్ 9 రికార్డ్స్ రావాలి కదా 3 into 3
క్రాస్ జాయిన్ లో వచ్చినాయి కదా ఇక్కడ 9 రికార్డ్స్. ఇక్కడ
ఇక్కడ 123 రాజు 1 రాజులు రాసిన వాళ్ళ
I have taken only one record as an example here. Okay. Now you will get this also. For this also you will get again 1 2 3 1 2 3 6. Again 1 2 5 1 2 3 6. Okay. Again 1 2 6 1 2 3 6. Like this total